As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out since this is being partially ice-dyed. I don't have to find the center or anything since it's not being folded on itself. Just make sure it's relatively flat. And lined up. And then we're just going to accordion fold. Something fell. Alright, and then we're just going to accordion fold up the shirt. I'm spacing it on the sides here. What happens in the middle will just stay that way. Right. Touch up the arms. You would think I'd remember that word, but no. And the other one, which I think is off camera, but I'm doing the same thing that I did on the last arm. Alright, so I'm going to flip this up, pull this down a little. I'm going to fold this in half. I'm going to go ahead and line it up with the sleeves and pull everything else into place. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold this. And I'm just looking to see how many times I'm going to do this. So I have an idea what I'm looking for. That should work. Okay, that's what we're left with. Alright, so then we'll go ahead and tie this off. Just going to go through the center first. That's a lot to catch at once, so not sure how tight this is actually going to be. Okay, and I'm going to try to just do diagonal, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to catch that properly because of how... Oh, I did. Alright. So since it's so bulky, make sure that you're getting the top and the bottom lined up. See if I can be as lucky on this side and catch that all the way. And touch that up. There we go. That tight. Alright, I'm going to come back up here and loop around to get this. Like that. Let's see. There we go. And then do this side. Anyway, where am I? That's there, and this. To there. Okay. Alrighty. Now this center part I'm not real concerned about because that's no longer tight, and it won't be tight because it's tightening everything else down. So if yours looks really loose, like it's not holding anything, that's completely fine. Alright, time to die. For this I'm going to be using daffodil, chartreuse, avocado, and bright green. And then the whole thing will be sitting in a mix of half and half brilliant blue and turquoise. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in an aluminum foil boat. I'm going to go ahead and apply the powder dye first, ice it, and immediately pour in the dye for the back side, which is that combo blue, and let it all work together. I'm going to take this out and just dump this real quick. And set that back in. And I poured it about halfway up, and then I'll take a look as it, well, it's almost all the way soaked in. So I'm going to add some more. Alright, I got it back up to about halfway. So I used about 8 ounces of blue, and I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours from now, and what happens happens. We'll see during the washout. It's been 24 hours. Actually, it's been like 36 hours, so let's do the washout. Alright, let's take a look. off to the wash.